Let's start with the most common method, applying front on. If you're not put off by touching your eye, this is the one for you. It's also probably the technique your optician showed you, and it's a pretty straightforward one. But it might be good to watch this video a few times so you can get the hang of it before you go for it. Here's how this one works. Wash your hands first to avoid getting dirt on your lens, and dry them so you can get the best grip. Identify your dominant hand, as this is the one you'll use to insert the lens. For most people, it's their right hand. Take the blister packet and turn the lip away from you, pulling it open. Press your pointing finger down to the bottom of the blister pack, then slide the lens out of the packet towards your thumb. Cup your other hand and point your finger to your palm, letting go of the lens. Then, sweep it back up from the cup of your hand onto your finger, ready to be placed into your eye. Hook your hand over your head and pull the top of your eyelid and eyelashes up, maximizing white eye space. Use the middle finger of the hand holding the lens to pull down your bottom eyelid. Look in the mirror and insert the lens from your finger onto the eye. When the lens latches, give yourself a pat on the back. You might also want to roll your eye around to get rid of those pesky air bubbles. Then, hit replay and repeat with your other eye. It gets so much easier with practice, so don't be put off if it doesn't work the first time. If you've tried a few times but still no luck, you might notice the lens getting drier. That's totally normal. Just pop it back in the solution to get more moisture before trying again. If you're a dailies wearer, you can use the solution in the blister pack. But it's not just the lens that needs a little break. Your eyes do too. If they're getting teary or a little red, just take a break, make a cup of tea, and get back to it when you're ready. It's not worth it to keep trying when your eyes are irritated. If this method wasn't the one for you, there are still 2 other ways to try. Check out video 2, side application, or video 3, looking up application. And don't forget, our optical experts are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So give them a call if you're still struggling. Find their contact info in the caption below.